Okay guys, are you all ready to start? Semua sedia untuk mula? So we start now. Okay, so today's class basically we will focus on Kbat questions for vector. Okay, soalan-soalan HOTS for vector. Okay, so all the hard questions lah, soalan yang susah. Okay, for Form 4 Chapter 8 at Maths vector. Alright? Okay, so when I ask question, you guys just answer lah, that's all. Okay, bila tanya soalan, kamu jawab saja. Senang macam tu. Okay? So you guys try your best to answer lah, although it's hard. Okay? Especially those who weak in this chapter, hopefully you guys can focus very well for today's lesson. Yang lemah topik vector ni, make sure 100% focus. Alright? Can guys? Okay? Alright. So this is the first question. Okay, so the question is, you need to express PQ in term of A and B. Okay, ungkapkan PQ dalam sebutan A dan B. Okay, so very simple guys. Whenever you have vector question, right, there is always one thing you must do first. Anyone know? What is the first step you must do for vector question? Langkah pertama kamu. Bila nampak saja soalan vector, kena buat apa? Yes, very good, Morten Rex. The keyword is label, guys. Whenever you see vector question, right, direct label. Label maksudnya apa? Semua info ni, guys. All this information, you need to label it. Letak kat gambar wajah tu. So that easier for you to see. Okay, lebih senang lihat seluruh gambar wajah. Okay? Can guys? Okay, so first step, you just label. Okay, so OP equal to A. So you guys just follow the statement. OP equal A. So over here, I label A. All right? And then next one, what else? Wait, okay. Next one, they say OQ equal to B. Okay, so you label OQ is equal to B. And then next, PR to RQ, 3 to M. Okay, this one is actually ratio, guys. Nisbah. So may I know PR take how many parts over here, guys? PR ni ambil berapa bahagian berdasarkan nisbah ni. PR to RQ is 3 to M. So how many parts does PR take over here? This one, PR. Yes. Okay, it takes 3 parts. Very good. Okay, PR ambil 3 bahagian. And then RQ. RQ take how many parts, guys? Berapa bahagian for RQ? Yes, it takes M parts. So guys, if I tell you total jumlah for PQ, what is the total ratio, guys? Apa jumlah nisbah kat sini? Let's say I want to find the whole thing. Jumlah. What you get? Anyone? Very simple only. Yes. 3 plus M lah. Yeah. This is the concept. Okay? All of you clear how I label this? Semua jelas? Labeling yang ni? This one very basic lah. Okay, you guys need to know how to label. Okay, first question, they ask you to find PQ, guys, in term of A and B. Okay, so can anyone tell me, what is the combination of vector, guys? Apa gabungan vector yang akan bagi PQ? Anyone? PQ is equal to what? You guys think and see, based on the diagram. Okay, sama-sama. Lagi orang? PQ sama dengan apa? Kamu lihat wajah. See the diagram and tell the answer. Any other answers? Ada jawapan lain? Or sama? Okay, very good. Okay, so the answer is actually PO plus OQ. Okay, so there is only one combination actually. Okay, it's PO plus OQ. Okay, so can you all tell me what is PO, guys? Over here, based on the question. PO sama dengan apa? Okay, sama-sama. PO, what do you get? Lagi-lagi orang. Cuba. Yes. Okay, you should get negative A. Very good. Okay. So PQ, sorry. Okay, so PQ is actually equal to negative A plus OQ. Okay, so what is your OQ here, guys? Can you all tell me? OQ sama dengan apa? Very simple. Yes. Okay, OQ is equal to B based on the diagram. So kamu label B lah. So this is your answer, guys. That's all. Itu saja for question A1. Just negative A plus B. How about QO plus OP? Okay, if QO plus OP, guys, can you all tell me what is the answer you get? All of you? Sama dengan apa? Yes. Okay, you will get QP, guys. But the question asks you PQ. Can you guys see that? Soalan tanya PQ, bukan QP. So this one is wrong. Salah. Understand? Can get the concept, guys? Dapat apa yang saya sampaikan? Boleh? So that's how you guys solve for part A1. Usually part A kan guys, it will be the easy question. Part B usually is the harder question. Vector like this one. A1, A2 will be simple, but then when you go down, right, the question become harder. Soalan yang bawah tu lebih susah. Okay? Alright, next one. So question A2. The question tell OR. Okay, so how you guys find OR? May I know, guys? OR sama dengan apa? Can you guys give some suggestion? What is the combination over here? Vectors is all about combination, guys. If you can find the combination, right, very simple for you already. Kamu kena tahu kombinasi dia. OQ plus QR. Okay, sama-sama. More people. Lagi orang. OR is equal to what? Okay, the answer is OR is equal to OP plus PR. Okay, some people I see got say OQ plus QR, right, for OR. Okay, actually not wrong. Tak salah. But if you say OQ plus QR, right, OQ plus QR. QR, guys, do you have information for QR? May I know? QR ni kamu ada vector tak? Tak ada kan? You don't have, right? You must remember, guys, this one is only the ratio. Nisbah saja. Ratio is not equal to vector. Tak sama. Okay, nisbah dengan vector adalah dua benda berbeza. Alright? So that's why I say we must use this route, guys. Kalau kamu guna laluan yang ni lebih senang. Okay, you use OP plus PR. Okay, actually this one also same concept lah. OQ plus QR, OP plus PR, same difficulty only. But you can find the ratio, guys. Kamu boleh cari nisbah. Okay, so how you guys actually find the ratio? Very simple. First step, you have PQ already, right, guys? PQ equal negative A plus B. So if I ask you, PR is equal to what? Can you all type out for me, guys? The ratio. Sekarang saya nak tahu vector bagi PR. You guys learn this concept in vector. Okay, 3 times negative A plus B. Wait, no. Wait. No. Yes, very good. Morten Rex, correct. Okay, you guys must see like this, PR is 3 parts, 3 bahagian. So you take 3, divide the total, bahagi jumlah. It's always like that one, guys. Okay, you must take the question that you want, the ratio, divide the total. Always kena bahagi jumlah. Ingat, guys. Okay, so it's actually 3 over 3 plus M of what, guys? Darab dengan apa, guys? Kat sini. Anyone? Yes, you times with the PQ, guys. Very good. Negative A plus B. That is the concept. Do you all understand, guys? This concept? Boleh dapat? So it's 3 over 3 plus M times the total vector, the total length. Then kamu dapat untuk PR lah. Okay, it's just the basic concept of ratio, nisbah. Alright? Okay, so now you guys just need to simplify this lah. Okay, permudahkan yang ni saja. Okay, so you will get like this. Kamu kembangkan lah. If you expand, you get something like this for PR. Okay, ratio part, I repeat. Okay, very simple, guys. Now I want to find the ratio for PR. Am I right? Yang hijau punya. So how you guys get ratio? It's actually you take the PR ratio over total ratio times PQ vector. This is the concept, guys. This one is equal to PR vector. This is the formula, guys. Nisbah PR bahagi jumlah nisbah kali dengan vektor PQ sama dengan vektor PR. Dapat tak? Can you see the concept over here? So this is the equation that I'm showing here. Inilah dia. Okay, can? Like that lah. The concept. The concept is just like if you have something like this, A, B, C. If I tell this one is 2, this one is 5, guys. If I ask you what is the ratio of AB, can you tell me the answer? Apakah nisbah AB, guys? Kat sini. Simple question. Yes, 2 over 5, right? How you get the answer, guys? You take 2, which is the ratio for AB, bahagi total ratio, right? Jumlah nisbah is 2 plus 3, 5. So this is how I get the value here, guys. 3 over 3 plus M. Can you see that? It is the PR ratio 3 bahagi jumlah nisbah 3 plus M. Okay? Can? May I ask why sometimes when have ratio question they darab? Yes, got darab here. This is the part you darab. Can you see Morton Vex? You darab the total vector for PQ. PQ vector you got in part A1, right? Negative A plus B. So you times the vector PQ. Okay? Can, all right. So that's how you guys solve it. Simple, right? Senang kan? Okay, so this is already PR. But the question 1 OR, guys. So OR is equal to what? OR is equal to OP plus PR. Am I right? So you just substitute the info lah, guys. OP is equal to what? OP is A. So you substitute A plus PR. PR is negative 3 over 3 plus M. A plus 3 over 3 plus M. B. This is your vector PR, guys. Dapat? So what is your answer, guys? Finally, you can actually simplify. Pemudahkan. So you will get the answer 1 minus 3 over 3 plus M. A plus 3 over 3 plus M. B. Okay? Do you all understand, guys, the answer? Dapat? So do you see the concept? Understand, all of you? Jelas? Can, No problems? If you got question, please ask, guys. Kalau ada soalan, tolong tanya. Kalau tak ada soalan, kamu cakap faham lah. At least I know some feedback from you guys that you okay. How you get 1? Okay. The 1 is actually from here. A means 1A. Can you see, guys? I factorize out the A. Saya sudah faktorkan vector A keluar because you see, both sides have A. So I factorize A. And then 1 minus, plus minus is minus. So 1 minus 3 over 3 plus M. Okay? Boleh, guys? Should be okay, right? So this is how you solve question A2. That's all. Okay, next one. Question B. Is it necessary to do it? Or you mean this step, is it? Is it necessary to write this? Is that the question? Okay. Yes, it's necessary, guys. Yang ni kena tulis, because it's always good to give your answer in the simplest form. Bagi jawapan dalam bentuk termudah. Okay, so if you can simplify, please simplify your answer. If you guys see this one, right? If I ask you all, is it simplified, guys? Adakah persamaan ni sudah dipermudahkan? Yes or no? You think and see. No, right? Tak lagi kan? So that's why you guys must have one extra step. Satu lagi langkah. Then only you get the correct answer. Okay? Can, all right. Next one. Okay, so now they tell you there is a point S on OR. Okay, and they give you vector RS is equal to 8A plus 6B, cari nilai M. All right. So you guys need to imagine a bit. Kamu kena bayangkan. Okay, so how to imagine this? Very simple. They say S terletak pada garis OR yang dipanjangkan. So means that you want to extend now, guys, OR. Okay, you extend it something like this. So they say point S is maybe somewhere here. Can you guys imagine the situation? Boleh bayangkan? S terletak pada garis OR yang dipanjangkan. Okay, so S is on the point where you extend the line. Okay, so you can actually put S anywhere you like. Okay, you can put S here, you can put S here, anywhere you like. Boleh letak mana-mana. Okay, but example, I just put it here. Okay, all right. So now, RS equal to 8A plus 6B. So you guys can label RS is 8A plus 6B. And then, do you have OR? Yes. Kamu ada informasi kan? OR. So you also have your vector OR over here. Is 1 minus 3 over 3 plus M. A plus 3 over 3 plus MB. So guys, when you see 3 points on the same line, What is the term, guys? Kalau 3 titik atas garis yang sama, kita bagi sebutan, apa ungkapan dia? Kita bagi terms apa? 3 titik atas garis yang sama. Okay, some more people? 3 point on the same line? Yes, very good, Tohi. Okay, your answer is A equal to KB or collinear, also correct. Okay, remember guys, 3 point on the same line, always the formula is A equal to KB. Or you can say A equal to lambda B also can. Dua-dua ni sama lah guys. KB or lambda B also can. Okay? Boleh faham guys? This is for collinear guys. Whenever you see the word collinear in the question. Sometimes the question won't say, but you must know. Okay, dalam BM segaris. Alright? Do you all still remember this formula? Honestly? Semua masih ingat tak? Rumus yang ni. Still remember, right? It's an important formula. Okay, collinear. Alright. So now guys, you guys must compare lah. So now you're talking ORS kan? So you guys can compare OR equal to lambda RS. Am I right? Kamu boleh buat perbandingan macam ni lah. Okay, this is the comparison right now. Okay, so OR, you guys can substitute your answer for OR. Okay, so guys, do you all know what is the dangerous thing about vector questions? Apa bahaya soalan vector? The danger is, if question A1 and A2, right? Let's say you get the wrong answer. Jawapan salah. A1 and A2. So automatic, right? Question B also you akan salah. Why? Because you are using the answer from part A1 and A2. Can you see that, guys? Kamu guna balik jawapan atas. So the most important part in the question is actually the first two parts over here. Dua ni sangat penting. You must be correct. Understand? Don't do careless mistake, guys. Although very easy, right? A lot of people will do careless mistake one. Banyak kesilapan, coy. Especially the negative symbol. Banyak orang lupa letak negatif bila pergi arah bertentangan. When you go opposite direction in vector, must add negative. Okay? All of you can. If I forgot to put the line under the vectors, yes, it is considered wrong. Correct. If you guys write vectors like this, OP, wrong. This is not vector, guys. OP macam ni, dia maksudnya macam garis saja. You have point O, you have point P. This is how you write OP. But if my OP, right, got a line, got an arrow, ada anak panah, then you guys will write it like this, vector. Can you see the difference, guys? This is the first situation, this is the second situation. Cuba bezakan dua situasi ni, guys. First situation is just a line, garis biasa saja. So you label it as OP. But over here, I have an arrow. Saya ada anak panah. So that's why you get a vector. Okay? Can, what does question in 2 means? Question in 2, they just ask you to express OR in terms of M, A, and B. So you did it already. M, A, B. Okay? Can, Erin? Just express OR in terms of A, M, and B. All right? Okay, so now, question B, guys. Okay, so question B, they ask you to find the value of M. All right? So if you want to find the value of M, we are using this formula, guys. So you just copy back your answer for the part A1 and A2 inside here. Salin saja. Equal to lambda RS. What is the answer for RS, guys? RS is 8A plus 6B, right? Okay, so you just substitute the info. 8A plus 6B. Okay, now guys, I need to do what? Apa yang saya boleh buat, guys? Kalau saya nak dapat nilai M. Now I want to find the M value. So how? Yes. And then what you guys do? What is the concept? Yes, very good, guys. You must use the concept of compare. Very good. Okay, whenever you guys see vector, right? Always must use compare. Bandingkan. All right? So you guys actually compare what? May I know? Kamu bandingkan apa, guys? Which part are you comparing? Which one? Anyone got idea? Apa yang kamu kena bandingkan? Anyone? Come on. Think and see. Yes, very good. The coefficient of A and B, correct. Okay, kamu bandingkan per kali bagi A dan B. So the blue one is the first one and the pink one is the second one. Can you see that? Coefficient per kali. Okay, coefficient means the number in front of A and B. Okay, nombor kat depan tu. Alright. So for the blue one, you have 1 minus 3 over 3 plus m equal to 8 lambda. This is your, okay, you can simplify the equation. Okay, cuba permudahkan. So how you guys simplify? Okay, you can use the concept of fractions lah. Okay, just pemudahkan pecahan. So you can make the denominator same, 3 plus m. So it's 3 plus m minus 3 equal to 8 lambda, like this. And then you have m over 3 plus m equal to 8 lambda. So m is equal to 24 lambda plus 8 lambda m. So m minus 8 lambda m equal to 24 lambda. Okay, I can factorize out m here, right guys? Okay, saya boleh faktorkan dia. So what can I do? You can have m 1 minus 8 lambda equal to 24 lambda. 1 minus, yeah, correct. Equal to 24 lambda. Dapat guys? Do you see the concept I'm doing? So m is 24 lambda over 1 minus 8 lambda. This is my first equation. Persamaan pertama. Dapat? So you guys see, right? The working over here. It is something like that. Alright? Okay, let me check and see. Is it all okay? 24 lambda plus, okay, yeah. Correct. Okay, so next, you guys must compare the coefficient of B. Okay, cuba bandingkan per kali bagi B. So it's 3 over 3 plus M equal to 6 lambda. Am I right? So what can you do here, guys? Boleh buat apa? Okay, you guys can actually substitute the M lah. Okay, kamu boleh gantikan M and try to find your lambda. Okay, so is, okay, wait first. Darab silang dulu. Okay, you cross multiply first. Plus 6 lambda M. So now you guys can substitute. So it's 3 equal to 18 lambda plus 6 lambda M. M you substitute with 24 lambda over 1 minus 8 lambda. Something like this. Okay, so what you guys will get? 3 is equal to 18 lambda plus this one you guys must simplify lah. So 144 lambda square over 1 minus 8 lambda. Okay, so from here, okay, I need to show down now, guys. New page. Wow, this question very long one. Okay, oh sorry, I must put it here. Okay, so from here, right guys, you can times the whole equation by 1 minus 8 lambda. Okay, darab saja dengan 1 tolak 8 lambda. So you have 3 times 1 minus 8 lambda equal to 18 lambda 1 minus 8 lambda plus 144 lambda square. Okay, so you have 3 minus 24 lambda equal to 18 lambda minus how much? You will get 144 6, yeah, lambda square plus 144 lambda square. So minus 144 plus 144 cancel, guys. Boleh potong. So what do you have now? You will have 3 is equal to 42 lambda. So lambda is actually equal to 1 over 14. Are you clear with this step, guys? Jelas? It's quite long, but hopefully can you understand my explanation? Dapat because sometimes the simultaneous is slightly long, but you just must be patient. Sabar saja. You will get the answer. Yes, then you sub back. Okay, because question asks M, right guys? Soalan suruh cari nilai M. So you need to substitute back your answer inside this equation over here. Okay, so M is 24 lambda over 1 minus 8 lambda. 24 lambda over 1 minus 8 lambda. So your lambda here is 1 over 14. So you substitute 1 over 14. 1 minus 8, 1 over 14. Okay, press calculator, guys. What is the answer that you get? Coba tekan, all of you. Make sure you guys press calculator. How much do you get? 24 over 14 divide 1 minus 8 over 14. So your answer will get 4, right? If not mistaken. Is it correct, guys? Do you get the same answer? Sama? You should get m equal to 4. So that is your final answer. Understand? All of you guys? Dapat? Soalan ni? How to solve it? So you done already the question. Okay? All good? Semua faham? No problem? If you guys got problem, please tell. Don't be silent over there. Jangan senyap. Kalau ada soalan, terus tanya. Okay? Because at maths, if you want to be good at maths, you must ask question 1. Okay? Kena tanya. Alright? Okay, so next question, guys. Question number 2. Okay, this question is a bit different. Berbeza sikit, but should be okay. Okay, the question is, they ask you to find the area of, can we make lambda as the subject and subit? Yes, can also. No problem. Guys, the working over here, right? After this part, is all up to you one. Because this is simultaneous equation. Persamaan serentak. So, persamaan serentak kamu boleh selesaikan dengan apa cara sekalipun. You can solve however you like. Depend on yourself. As long as your final answer is the same, then your method is correct. Okay? How you get 4? I just substitute the lambda value that I get, which is 1 over 14, inside the equation over here. Because just now I got this equation, right? So I substitute lambda equal 1 over 14. Then I press calculator, get 4. Can First, you must agree that lambda equals 1 over 14. Setuju kan? How I get the answer 1 over 14. If you understand that, then it's just substitute back only. Ganti balik in your equation. Okay? Can? Amma, Nukman? Boleh? Any problem? Can? Alright. Okay, so next one, guys. Okay, so question number 2. The question asks you to find the area of BCD, guys. And they tell you luas for ACE is 30. Okay, so very simple. They tell you the area of triangle ACE is 30. And they want you to find only BCD. Okay, it's a good question. So how are you guys going to solve this? Anyone got idea? Macam mana nak selesaikan? They want you to find the area of BCD. How? Think and see, guys. Cuba fikir. What is the concept? With ratio. Yes, correct. Okay, you guys can actually use ratio over here. Okay, remember, guys, whenever you see two triangles, right? Dua segitiga. You see a larger triangle like this, which is red, and you see a smaller triangle inside, which is green. So this is what we call as similar triangles. Have you all heard this thing, guys? Dalam BM segitiga serupa. Pernah dengar tak nama yang ni? Have you guys heard of it? Okay, if you guys never heard of it, right? The concept is actually the ratio will be the same. Yeah, there is ratio 1 in similar triangle. You see a smaller triangle inside a larger triangle. That is similar triangle. Okay, segitiga kecil dalam segitiga yang besar. Itu konsep segitiga serupa. Alright? So that is the concept. Okay, so how do we guys solve the question? Very simple. Okay, so first step, you guys can actually, you can draw the triangle straight. So that is easier for you to understand. Okay, if you guys draw it straight, right, it's more, it makes sense. Okay, so you can tilt it a bit. Okay, so you will get something like this, BD, and then C. Okay, so this one is 3x. This one is 5x. Okay, you see, I never modify anything, guys. Saya tak ubah apa-apa. I just change the shape only. Okay, so guys, I make an assumption. This I call it as H, height of triangle. Am I right? Okay, ketinggian segitiga saya panggil H lah. Okay, so now the question is, you can find the area of ACE. They already tell you it's 30, right? 30. Okay, so how you guys find area for ACE? You guys can use half times base times height, right? Setengah kali tapak kali tinggi. Am I right? So this answer is actually equal to 30. Agree? Semua setuju yang ni? This step? Hey, how can I keep on click this? Okay. Can Dapat? Can. Okay, so from here, right, guys, you will actually get 5xh is equal to 60. So means that sh is equal to 12. This one agree? Setuju? So this is my first equation, guys. Persamaan pertama. Okay, next. You guys focus on the smaller triangle, which is BCD. Okay, so if you guys focus on BCD, right? Can you all tell me this height is how much? It's time for you guys to use ratio concept nisbah. Can anyone tell me CD? Apa ketinggian dia? Kalau faham konsep nisbah. Anyone? Think and see. How much you will get for CD? 3 over 8 long. 1 over 3 long. Try. Some more people. What is your CD length? 1 over 2H, no. Wrong. H is the height of the ACE triangle. Can you see, guys? Yes, got correct answer, D. Okay, Aishwarya. Very good. Okay, the answer is 3 over 5H, guys. How you get 3 over 5H? Can you see 3 here? Can you see 5 here, guys? So it's just 3 over 5. Because the x will cancel out each other. Okay, so it's 3 over 5H. Okay, the real concept behind it is actually like this. Okay, you just compare the base and the height. Okay, bandingkan tapak dan tinggi. Okay, so if you guys compare the base first, 5x over h, am I right? Is equal to 3x over CD. Agree with this equation, guys? This is the concept of similar triangle. This is the base. This is the height. Tapak dan tinggi. Dapat tak, guys? Can you see? I'm comparing the ratio 5x over h equal to 3x over CD. Nampak? So from here, I can actually find the CD length. Okay, so it's actually 3xh over 5x. So that's why I get the answer of 3 over 5h. Can you see that, guys? So the CD, right, is actually 3 over 5h. You got information already. Sudah dapat. Faham? Do you see the concept? Okay, so now, you guys now need to find the BCE triangle area, luas. Okay, so how you guys going to find? Sorry, BCD, not E. Okay, so the concept is the same, half times base times height. Setengah kali tapak kali tinggi. So it's half times 3x times with 3 over 5h. Can you guys see that? Macam ni. Okay, so if you guys simplify, what will you get? You will get 9 over 10 xh. Betul? Okay, is this the final answer, guys? Yes or no? Adakah ini jawapan akhir? You must find the value. Remember, kamu kena cari nilai. So how do I solve this, guys? If you guys notice, I already have xh, right? Xh sama dengan 12, yes. So you can actually substitute, guys. 9 over 10 times 12. So your answer will get what? You should get 8.1 cm square. So that is the answer, guys. All of you clear? Jelas on how to solve it? Dapat? Can you explain one a bit more slowly? Wait, let me see. Wait. 0.9. Wait. Did I make a mistake? Oh, sorry. Oh my God. It's not 8.1 now. It's 10.8. Okay, sorry for my calculation. Mistake. Okay, wait, sir. Can you explain number 1 a bit more slowly? Okay, Ken. Number 1. Okay, this question. Okay, this question, right? You guys must understand. When they ask you to find an area of a smaller triangle inside a larger triangle, always the concept is similar triangle. Can? Concept dia segitiga serupa. Okay, so the concept is actually you comparing the base lengths and the height of two triangles. So I'm comparing 5x with h. This is my first triangle. Second triangle, I am actually comparing 3x. Wait, sorry. Okay, you're comparing 3x with 3 over 5h. So this is the second triangle. So that's how I get the formula over here. Can you see that? 5x over h equal to 3x over CD. Can? So this is the most important concept. This is the concept of similar triangle over here. Segitiga serupa. Okay? Can? All of you? Dapat? So from here, you can actually solve the equation and get CD length already. CD is equal to 3 over 5h. And then you just apply the formula for area. Half times base times height. The base is 3x for BCD triangle lah. Okay, and then the height is 3 over 5h. And then you guys already found earlier xh is 12. So just substitute xh equal to 12. You get the answer. Can? For just now, can Arina? Get it? So the major concept here is you must form two equations. Dua persamaan. Then you substitute the first equation inside the second equation. That's all. Okay. If you guys still like blur a bit on the concept, don't worry. Still got part B and part C for you guys to understand. Okay, so you see question for part B, guys. It's a different triangle now. Now they tell you ABE is 15. Okay, ABE. So you guys need to imagine a bit now lah. You need to modify your diagram a bit over here. Okay, so for ABE, right, your triangle will look something like this. Okay, if I draw back this one, A, B, D, E. Okay, so for ABE is this one over here, something like this. Okay, so now we focus on this triangle lah, guys, yang hitam punya. We want to find BCD. Okay, still kita nak cari BCD. Okay, so they tell you ABE is 15, guys, the area 15. Okay, so this is the information. So now, again, the same concept. This one is H. So this one is still 0.6H. Sorry, yeah, correct. 0.6H. This one is 3X. This one is 5X. Okay, so everything maintained the same, guys. Semua sama. Okay, now, first step. You guys must always start with the one that you have information. Can ah? Okay, kamu mula dengan segitiga yang ada informasi. So guys, first question. Can you all tell me what is the height of this triangle? Anyone? Apa ketinggian segitiga ABE? You see the information. Yes, very good. You are taking H minus 0.6H. So you will get 0.4H, guys. Can you see that? So it's the height, ketinggian. And then base, you guys already have it, is 5x. So half times 5x times 0.4h is equal to 15. This is your equation, guys. Okay? So you just need to simplify. So you will get 2xh is equal to 30. So xh is equal to 15. First equation. Until here, semua orang faham how I get xh equal 15? Can, right? Boleh? So from now you can find the question lah, guys. Question suruh cari apa? BCD, luas. Okay, so again, it's the same formula. Wait, is H1. We don't know the value of H. Auni. We cannot find the value of H. Because too many unknown. And you don't need to know the value of H also. Tak perlu tahu. Can understand? You don't need to find it. Okay, because now you see, now the question want to find BCD, luas. Okay, so for BCD is half times base. What is your base, guys? 3x for BCD. Height, 0.6h. So it's the same equation like just now, but your value is different for xh. Okay, so if you guys simplify, you will get 0.9xh. So you will get 0.9 times 15. Okay, can you see, guys? I substitute xh with 15. Gantikan. So your final answer will get how much? Okay, if you guys times and see, you should get 13.5 cm square. Understand? All of you? Semua orang dapat how I solve question B? Can? My method? All clear? Any problem so far for A and B? Jelas, No problem, huh? Okay, next one. Question C. So question C, they want you to find luas for BCE, guys. Okay, different question. BCE. And they tell you ABE is 18 now. Okay, this one very simple, guys. Senang saja. Okay, so the concept is you guys must actually just use a very simple concept. Okay, let me show over here. Okay, down here. Question number C. So again, I draw for you one more time. So this is A, this is B. Wait, let me see. A, E, B, D, C. Okay. This one is E. And then this one is B. Let me check. Okay, B, D, C, like that. All right. Okay, so always it's good to draw diagram, guys. Remember, in admaths, right? If you cannot imagine the situation, right? Always draw diagram. Lukis gambar raja. Okay, gambar raja can actually help you guys a lot in admaths. Okay, so 5x, 3x. This one is h. And then this one is 0.6h. This one is 0.4h. So all the information I label, this is ABE. So the question tell me that ABE is equal to 18 for question C. Okay, so I just label ABE is this is 18. Okay, so now the question is find BCE area. So what is the concept, guys? Macam mana I can find BCE? You just take ACE minus ABE. Am I right? Itu saja kan? You just need to use that concept. Okay, so very simple, guys. ACE area. How do I find? Half times base times height also. Setengah kali tapak. What is my tapak, guys, for ACE? Can you all comment? ACE base length. Tapak dia berapa? ACE. Yes, very good. Okay, it's 5x, guys. So it's half times 5x times, what is the height, guys, for ACE? Apa ketinggian? What's the height? Anyone? Yes, it's the h. Okay, the total, guys, jumlah. So you actually will get 2.5 xh. Am I right? And what is xh, guys? If you guys still remember, xh just now you guys got, right? Xh is, okay, sorry. The xh over here will be different. Okay, dia akan berbeza. Okay, it depends on your triangle. All right? Okay, so what you can do here is, for ABE, right? You can try to find the luas for ABE. Okay, sorry, you try to find the xh from ABE. ABE luas is 18, right? So you can actually take half times 5x times 0.4h equal to 18. Can you see that? Half times 5x, base is 5x, height is 0.4 for triangle ABE. This one over here. Can you guys see it? So you can actually find xh, guys. Xh is equal to how much? If you guys press calculator, you should get, let me see, 18 times 2 divided by 5 times 0.4. You will get 18 for xh. So I can actually substitute, right, guys? Gantikan over here. So I can substitute xh is equal to 18. So how much I get here? 2.5 times 18, you will get a 45. 45. So I can direct find the area, right, guys, now? Can you guys see the concept? BCE is equal to ACE minus ABE. You see the diagram, guys. This is BCE over here, blue color, yang biru. So you take the total ACE minus the black color, which is ABE. So you can get the answer lah. So ACE is how much? ACE you guys found is 45. Am I right? 45. And then ABE you guys already got is 18. So your final answer is 27 cm square. Understand? All of you? Dapat? All the concepts over here? Can? Do you see how I get the answer? So the most important thing is you guys must use the triangle well. Guna segitiga ni betul-betul. And understand the concept of similar triangle. Segitiga serupa. Okay, that is the most important concept here. Okay? All okay? Can I continue? Anyone want to take picture? You guys can take picture, of the working. Kalau ada orang yang nak screenshot, you can screenshot also. If you guys want. Once you're done, you just tell me. Then I will go on. Okay? Okay, done? Already taken picture? Sudah? Go on, huh? All right, so I show down also. Down also, you guys can take picture. Do a post. I also take the answer with you. Is it okay? Oh my God. Taken, huh? Okay. I hope not many people take the picture just now. Don't take the picture of my face, guys. You're supposed to take the picture of AdMats, Oh my God. Don't take picture of my face. All right. Later, I scared you guys spread my face around. That's why I scared. That's why. Morten Rex, you take my face is because you want sticker, is it? Oh, you're very smart, I asked you to take picture of this and then you suddenly ask this one. Very smart guy. Later you share to me how is the sticker. See whether I approve or not. You guys very smart nowadays. Very smart. Okay. All right. So this question, guys, next one. The next question is they tell you it is unit vector, guys. Okay, so can anyone tell me when you see the word unit vector, what do you understand? All of you. You must understand one thing. When you see the word unit vector, what comes to your mind, guys? Apa maksud vector unit? Very important concept. Anyone? Come on, think and see. Unit vector. What is the information you can get? Yes, okay, correct. But more specific, do you guys know any other things related to unit vector? Okay, jarak, how much? What is the value? Apa nilai dia? Unit vector. You must know this, guys. You all forget already, Yes, very good. Trishna Mitra, correct. Magnitude equal to 1, guys. Remember, unit vector, always the magnitude is equal to 1. Okay? Very important concept, Please remember this. Okay, that's why you see the word unit. Whenever you guys see the word unit in admaths, right? It means 1. Okay? Please remember that, guys. Unit tu maksudnya 1. Okay? That's why the magnitude is 1. Alright? Okay, so how you guys find magnitude in vector? Do you all still remember what's the formula? Formula for magnitude. Very simple for vector. Anyone? Cuba ingatkan saya. Come on. What's the formula, guys? Unit vector. If you guys forget, you can say forget. Don't worry. Kalau lupa, kata lupa saja. Okay. Yes. Okay, the answer. Okay, for unit vector, yes. Okay, unit vector, the formula is actually xi plus yj and then divide by square root x square plus y square. Do you all still remember this formula, guys? Masih ingat rumus ni? This one is for unit vector. Okay, so which one is magnitude, guys? May I know? A or B? Mana yang menunjukkan magnitude? Over here. A or B? Yes. Okay, the answer is B. Very good. Okay, so you guys must just know that square root x square plus y square is equal to 1. This is your equation, guys, because magnitude is equal to 1. Okay, so what is your x value here, guys? Your x is k. What is your y value? Your y is 1 over √2. So you just need to substitute, guys. X equal to k, y is equal to 1 over √2. Gantikan. Equal to 1. So now you guys must solve for k. So you get k square plus 1 over 2 equal to 1. So now, guys, what do you do over here? Can you all tell me? What is your next step? Kena buat apa? Yes. Vector will come out a lot. Admaths, hard to say, but vector is a favorite question lah. But all topics will come out for admaths. Okay, semua topik akan keluar. So each of the topic actually is the same amount only. Okay. Vector usually paper 1, paper 2 also can come out. Okay, kertas 1 and 2 boleh. Okay, so how you guys continue after this one? Yes, very good. Whenever you see a third, right guys, you just square both side one. Because third and square boleh potong. Okay, just remember that. Okay, so you have k square plus half is equal to 1. So you will get k square is equal to half. So what is the k value, guys? Your k value is third positive negative 1 over 2. So you can write it as positive negative 1 over third 2. Do you all see the concept? Can get it? Okay, so now, do you guys accept both values over here? Yes or no? Adakah kamu terima dua-dua nilai k? Positive and negative. Who say yes, who say no? Comment. Sama-sama? Yes or no? Do you accept both value? Okay, so why no, guys? Kenapa tak boleh? What's your reason? Anyone? Why no? Whenever you do something in admits, must have reason one. Kena ada sebab. So what is the sebab over here? You guys must see the question always. Selalu nampak soalan. Question is cari nilai K. It can split into positive and negative. Yes, I already write here. Positive and negative. Can you see here? Cannot be negative. Okay. The answer is right, guys. Yes, I know. Normally positive taken, right? But for this case, right, both answer is correct. Positive and negative also can. Dua-dua jawapan betul. Okay, why? Kenapa macam tu? Very simple concept, guys. You see over here, right? Is k square. Am I right? So if you take a positive number square and you take the same value that is negative square, your answer is still the same, right, guys? Jawapan masih sama kan? The concept is like 5 square, 25 kan? And then negative 5 square, also 25 kan? So whether you're positive or negative, right? No effect. Tak ada kesan. 1 over 1 or negative 1 over 1, dua-dua pun will get magnitude 1. Am I right? Can guys? Boleh dapat? So always remember anything that is square, right? The answer is always positive. X square, example is always positive. No matter what is your X. Tak kira apa-apa nilai X, you will get positive answer. Always. Can? All of you? Dapat? So that's all for this question. Should be no problem, right? Okay, so you can screenshot, guys. Take picture if you guys want. And don't ask me to post again, guys. I scared now another person going to ask, can you do another post for me? I didn't know what is your tweet. Siapa-siapa suruh saya post, you will be the next one to answer my question. Okay, I will call your name if you want me to post. Okay? When done, tell me, guys. Bila habis, bagi tahu saya. Oh, you want to answer the next question, is it? Wow. So good, No, enough already. Later I come like a meme over there. I don't want myself to turn into a meme. Okay? Okay, next one, All right. Okay, next one, guys. Okay, this is another question. They're asking you, mi plus 4 over 5j is a unit vector for ki plus 8j. Okay, very simple. So, mi plus 4 over 5j. They say this one is a unit vector, guys. Okay, so unit vector means that you must apply the formula, guys. Okay, so ki plus 8j over magnitude. Magnitude is square root k square plus 8 square. Am I right? Do you all understand this equation? Boleh dapat? So this is the equation you can form. So they want you to find the unit vector for this one. And this is your answer. Yang ni jawapan dia. This is the answer. This is the question. So that's why you can equal each other lah. Sama dengan. Okay. So mi plus 4 over 5j. You need to simplify. So you will get ki plus 8j over k square plus 64. So from here, what can you do, guys? Boleh buat apa? It's always the same concept, guys, in vector. Now you want to find m and k. So, you can actually split the fraction, guys. Pecahkan dia. Macam ni. Okay, so you just split it to two fraction. 8 over third k square plus 64 j. Do you all understand this concept, guys? Dapat konsep yang ni? So, saya pisahkan saja. So, what do I do now, guys? All of you, kena buat apa sekarang? Now you got two things. So, concept is, yes, you compare, guys. Bandingkan. Okay, you compare the coefficient of I and you compare the coefficient of J. Okay, bandingkan perkali I dan J. That's all. Okay, so if you guys compare I, you will get M is equal to K over third K square plus 64. And if you guys compare the J, you will get 4 over 5 equal to 8 over third K square plus 64. Okay, guys. If you are the person sitting for the admits exam, guys, will you start to solve A or B? Mana yang kamu akan selesaikan dulu? Common sense, guys. A or B? Okay, sama-sama. Lagi orang? A or B? Yes. The answer is B. Okay, why B, guys? Kenapa kena mula dengan B? What is the reason? You are going to start with B. Again, a very common sense question. Because, yes, one unknown only. Very good, guys. Can you see that you have only one variable? Satu pemboleh ubah saja. So, you always start to solve the one with one pemboleh ubah. Okay, mula dengan yang tu. Alright? So, you guys can actually start over here. So, you times, darab silang. So, you get like this, equal to 40. So, third k square plus 64 equal to 10. And then square both side, kuasa dua-dua belah, equal to 100. K square equal 36. Okay, guys. So my k value is positive negative 6. Am I right? Okay, so do I accept both values, guys? Yes or no? Adakah saya terima dua-dua jawapan for k? What do you guys think? Yes. Why? Kenapa terima dua-dua? Again, it's the same reason lah, because it's magnitude, guys. Okay, because k square, 6 square, or negative 6 square also is 36. Yes, very good. Okay, so now you guys can substitute your answer over here. Gantikan. Okay, so when your k value is 6, you guys will get m equal to 6 over square root 6 square plus 64. So your answer will get m is equal to how much? You will get 3 over 5. Correct? So this is your first case. Second case, k equal negative 6. You gantikan negative 6 over third negative 6 square plus 64. So your answer will get m equal to negative 6 over 10. So it's negative 3 over 5. That's all lah. Itu saja. Can you guys see? Understand the concept for this question? So you got two set of answer, guys. Dua set jawapan. So first set, k equal 6, m equal 3 over 5. Second set, k equal negative 6, m equal negative 3 over 5. Can? All of you? All my favorite student over here? Potential A+? Boleh? Can? No problem? Okay. Take picture, guys. Ambil gambar. So that you guys will remember. Once you guys done, you tell me. Next concept is a more applicable concept after this. After this is more on daily life question, guys. All this is the basic in vector you guys study. Now is more towards daily life. The coming question is daily life question. Soalan aplikasi harian. That means both positive and negative answer no need to choose because both also correct. Yes, correct. Okay, so you accept both lah, basically. But remember, guys, always see the situation in the question. If the question suddenly tell you like this, kalau soalan bagi syarat macam ni, then you guys must know what to do. You can only accept positive answer. So read the question carefully. Sometimes the question will tell you certain condition, term and condition, T and C. Okay, so you need to follow. Okay, ikut soalan. If they say K greater than 0, means positive sajalah. If K less than 0, negative sajalah. Okay, so you must follow. Alright. But if question never say anything, then both also can. Dua-dua boleh. Okay. Alright, continue guys. Next one. Okay, so now daily life question. Okay, so when they say daily life, confirm is something you can see in the daily life. Okay, so now they are talking about laba-laba and cicak, spider and lizard. Okay, guys, common sense question. Before you talk about admits, common sense first. Between spider and lizard, guys, cicak dan laba-laba, mana yang lebih pantas? Can you all tell me? See whether you guys got common sense or not. Which one is faster? Spider or lizard? You all tell me. Because it's related to the question. Which one faster? Spider or lizard? Some more? Okay, got different answers. Okay. The answer is actually, if you guys see the question, let me see. Okay, this one is for the spider. And then the lizard is pi minus 2j. Okay, so, wait. Let me check and see first the answer. Okay. Okay, over here we don't know. Okay, based on the answer, it's actually the same. Okay, surprisingly, based on the answer, it's the same. Okay, never mind. In this case, it's a bit weird lah. Okay, sometimes maths also don't make sense. It's all right. In this case, both of the speed is the same. Dua-dua sama. So actually, you cannot, it's hard to say lah in terms of maths. Okay, but generally, I think if you don't talk about maths, then it should be lizard, right? I don't know whether I'm right, but I think lizard is faster. Okay, saya rasa lah cicak lebih pantas. Maybe you can Google and see. Okay, all right. If you guys see this one, they tell you the spider is at a position of 5i and it goes with a velocity of 2i plus 3j. Okay, so you need to imagine, guys, spider, the starting position, this is the start. Kamu mula kat sini, laba-laba. This is the speed, kelajuan. And then cicak, this one is the starting. The lizard start over here. And then this is the speed. Okay, so they tell you, guys, cicak berjaya makan laba-laba. Okay, the lizard eats the spider. So guys, common sense. Can the lizard eat the spider if it's like this? Kalau lizard over here, spider over here, can it eat the spider? Yes or no? Let's say they are very far apart. Dia ada jarak sangat jauh. Let's say like 15 meter. Can the lizard eat the spider? Yes or no? Cannot, right? Tak boleh kan? Okay. So the concept is the lizard and the spider must be side by side. Am I right? It must be very close to each other. Then only they can eat each other. Am I right? So this is the concept. You guys need to answer the question. The concept is the distance that is traveled by the spider should equal to the distance that is traveled by the lizard. Do you guys get the concept? Okay, jarak dilalui oleh laba-laba is actually equal to jarak yang dilalui oleh cicak. Understand? If they move the same distance, then they should be able to eat each other. Am I right? So that is the concept. The distance must be the same. Okay, so the question is, they want to find the time taken. Masa yang diambil. Okay, how to calculate distance, guys? Macam mana cari jarak? Okay, common sense. You have to take the starting position plus how much you move. Am I right? Kedudukan kamu mula tambah berapa jauh kamu gerak. Am I right? That's how you count the distance that you travel. Am I right? So it's same for the lizard. You must take the starting position plus by how much it moves. Am I right? Okay. So the starting position, guys, for the spider, laba-laba, is 5i. Am I right? Okay, so if the question say 5i, you just write 5i lah. to be simple. Okay, just write 5i. And then how you guys actually find out how much it moves, guys? Okay, you see this one over here, right? 2i plus 3j. As I told you guys, this one is the speed, kelajuan. So guys, can I direct plus them like this? Yes or no? Boleh tak saya terus tambah macam ni? What do you all think? Can or not? Sama? More people? Lagi orang? Can I direct plus 5i with 2i plus 3j? You can see the question, guys. Okay, why no? What is your reason? Why cannot? Always must have reason one. It's actually quite logic also. Kenapa tak boleh tambah? The 5i and 2i plus 3j. Yes, very good. Because different unit, very good, Damia. You need to be in cm. Yes, very good, Motem Rex. Okay, so you must notice this one is actually cm. This one is cm per second. So guys, dua unit yang berbeza boleh tambah tak? Confirm cannot, guys. You cannot plus 2 unit that is different. Okay, it's just like the concept 7 apple and 6 orange. They are two different things, right? Dia adalah dua benda berbeza. So you cannot just say like, okay, I have 13 apple. Doesn't make sense, right? You must say 13 apple and orange. Am I right? So that's the concept over here. All right. Okay, so what you can do is, how you want to convert this one to cm? Can anyone tell me? How to convert cm per second kepada cm? What must you do? Anyone? Cuba fikir. How do I convert it? Anyone? Yes, very good. You darab with second. Am I right? Yes. Okay, because if you take cm per second times second, you will get cm. Betul tak, guys? Because second power negative 1 times second boleh potong kan? So you get cm. So second is what, guys? Second is time, right? Masa kan quantity dia. So you actually need to times by time. Darab dengan masa. Itu konsep dia, guys. Can you all understand? So you just need to times this by a t. Do you all understand? I put t because I don't know what is the time. Soalan tak bagi tahu masa. So I just put t lah, symbol. The question is you must find the t. Can you see? For soalan A, kamu kena cari masa, time. Okay? And then for the lizard, cicak, starting position is 20i plus 15j based on the question. So you just write 20i plus 15j and then kelajuan, pi minus 2j. Okay, so you just write pi minus 2j times what, guys? Kena darab dengan apa? Again, this one is actually the speed, laju. So you need to times by time. Again, you times by t. Do you all see the concept? So over here, what you can do is, you just need to expand lah, guys. Kembangkan 5i plus 2ti plus 3tj equal to 20i plus pti plus 15j minus 2tj. Do you all understand? Dapat? Okay, so now what you can do, guys? You can actually factorize, guys, the same term. Can you see the I? I is same, right? Sama. So you can actually factorize out 5 plus 2t I plus with 3tj equal to, over here you can factorize the I also. Faktorkan. So 20 plus pt I plus with, over here j also common, guys. Sama. So you will have 15 minus 2tj. Do you guys understand? Until this step, semua orang faham? Do you all get it? Any problem? But T lizard and T spider different, right? No, they will be the same time, guys, because they should arrive at the same time. Then only they can eat up each other. Am I right? Dia kena sampai pada masa yang sama, baru boleh makan. Am I right? So the time taken for it to travel must be the same. Masa perjalanan tu kena sama. Alright? So that is the concept. Okay, so based on this, guys, you guys can actually do what? Same concept again, guys. Compare the coefficient, bandingkan perkali. So can you see over here? I'm comparing the coefficients of I and the coefficient of J. So when you compare coefficient of I, 5 plus 2t perkali bagi I, left hand side and right hand side, plus pt. First equation. Okay. And then second equation, you compare the coefficient of J perkali bagi J. 15 minus 2t. So you see over here, guys, I can already solve, right? For my time. Saya boleh selesaikan. So my answer is t is equal to 3. That's all. Understand? This is how you guys solve question A. All of you clear on this? Jelas? This is application question, guys. Soalan aplikasi harian. The A. Okay? No problem? All okay? So that is how you get question A. Okay, next one. The question asks you the velocity of the lizard. Halaju cicak. So very simple. You just substitute t equal to 3 inside here. Gantikan. So that you can find your p. Just substitute. Simultaneous equation. Okay, so you will get 3p is equal to how much? Negative 9. So your p value is actually negative 3. Betul? P is negative 3. So, what is the velocity of the lizard? Halaju cicak. Okay, so you just need to use this one lah, guys. This is the expression, right? Pi minus 2j. So you just substitute your p value. Pi minus 2j. So gantikan p is negative 3. So this is the velocity of your lizard. Halaju cicak. Faham? Do you guys get the concept for this whole question? Understand? So the most important part is actually this concept over here, guys. You must know that the distance are the same. Jarak kena sama. And the second concept is distance is equal to speed times time. Okay, jarak sama dengan laju atau halaju kali masa. Okay, all understand? If you understand, you can take picture already. Okay, ambil gambar this question. So this is an example for daily life, aplikasi harian. Not that difficult, right, guys? I think it's okay, right? Masih faham kan? I think it's quite common sense lah. Okay, if you understand the situation, you can actually answer it. All right? Once you guys done, tell me ya. Bila habis, comment. Bila habis, ambil gambar. Okay, done, Okay, continue. Next one. Okay, so next question, guys. Another type of question. Okay, this question is talking about particle, satu zarah. Okay, so they tell you there is a point A, phi 10, velocity 3i minus j, and OS is equal to OA plus TV. So this is all the information that you have. Okay, so very simple, guys. Just use the equation. Okay, guna saja persamaan ni. OS is OA plus TV. The question is you need to find the velocity, laju. And you need to find the position of the O after 4 seconds. Okay? So how you guys actually answer this? It's actually very simple. OA. Can anyone tell me what is OA? Your vector? What is your value for OA? Anyone? The question already give you. Yes. Okay, you can actually just write it as 5 and 10 to be easier lah, guys. No need to always write in vector form. Remember, vector you can also represent it in matrix form. Do you all remember that? Now you guys learn matrix, right? I'm sure you guys already study Form 5 Chapter 2 Maths. You must understand that vector, you can actually write it as matrix. Okay, boleh tulis dalam bentuk matrix bagi vector. Okay, this is actually called as column vector. The name of this type of vector is called as column vector. Have you guys heard of this name? Column vector. Because you see there is a column right over here. When you write in matrix form, you will have a column. Dalam BM, vector lajur. Sebab kamu nampak ada satu lajur kan? That's why nama dia vector lajur. Okay? Dapat? So this kind of vector is column vector. Okay, so now you have to find the value of V. You need to find the value of what else? And also T, bilaka. So you need to find T. Okay, so based on the equation, right, guys? OS. What do you think is OS over here? Can you all think and see? What is OS? You guys must think and see now. What is the coordinate for OS? Anyone? Cuba fikir, think and see. It's not that difficult one. But you must use some common sense a bit. So anyone? Come on. Fikir, think and see. 3 minus j. Zach, do you mean 3i minus j? Is it 3i or typo kan? I think you do typo. Okay, 3i minus j, no. Okay, you must understand. 3i minus j, right, guys, is halaju, speed. But OS is the position, kedudukan. Position is not same as speed, guys. Okay, kedudukan must be distance, jarak. Okay, faham? Okay, so you guys must think and see. You see, satu zara bergerak dari titik A, 510. Okay, and then they say selepas T saat dia berada di S. Okay, so you guys must think and see. We don't know the coordinate, right? For S, kita tak tahu. So, logically kita akan letak X. Am I right? For coordinate X, we put X lah. So, kita tak tahu. We don't know what is the value of X. And then Y? Y we will actually write as 0, guys. Kosong. Why kosong, guys? Can you see over here? Sebelah kanan asalan, to the right of the origin, means that the coordinate is on y-axis or x-axis, guys. May I know? S ni atas paksi X atau paksi Y? You think carefully, guys. X or y-axis? They say it's to the right of the origin. To the right, ke kanan. Okay, it's the x-axis, guys. That's why your coordinate is x0. Do you all understand this? Boleh faham? Why is x0? So there's a lot of things you must interpret in this kind of question. The question, it won't tell you directly. Seorang tak bagi tahu direct, but you must interpret. Okay? Okay, and then T value kita tak tahu. V value we know, right, guys? V is 3 and negative 1. Betul? 3i minus j. So 3 and negative 1. Okay. If you guys solve this, right? Kamu boleh selesaikan. So you will have 5 plus 3t and 10 minus t. Am I right? So, what concept, guys? You guys learn matrix, right? So matrix tell you what? You can compare the same row and same column. Bandingkan lajur dan baris yang sama. So I have this equation. My t value is automatically 10. I already get one answer. Second answer, I can find the x, right, guys? Gantikan nilai t. So I will get x is equal to 35. So means what, guys? Coordinate S is actually 35 and 0. Do you all agree this, guys? Setuju tak? Coordinate S is 35, 0. Because x 0 kan? So you already found the x, 35. So it's 35, 0. Coordinate for S. Okay, so they ask you cari laju. Find the speed. Okay, so speed is actually, you just find the magnitude. Okay, speed is 3i minus j, right? So how to find magnitude, guys? You use the formula lah. 3 square plus negative 1 square. So your value is actually 10. Square root 10, sorry. Square root 10 ms negative 1. This is your speed, guys. Laju. Are you clear? So that is the first part of the question lah. Cari laju. Kedudukan zara O after 4 seconds. Okay, so this one you guys must actually substitute. Okay, 4 seconds mean t equal 4, right? So you just substitute t sama dengan 4. Okay, after 4 seconds. So if you guys solve, you guys will actually get 5 plus 12, 10 minus 4. So your answer is 17, 6, guys. So this is the position for S. 17, 6. Do you all understand this? Can I have some response, guys? Faham atau tidak? How I'm getting all the answer? Dapat? This one is not part of the question. Okay, where I put hashtag, that is the answer. Okay, and then T is equal to 10 is another answer. So totally 3 jawapan this question. Okay, understand? All of you get the concept? Dapat? So you can take picture for this one. Okay, this one is another daily life aplikasi harian for vector. I don't think it's that hard lah. Still quite okay lah to answer. Okay. Okay, so once you're done, you tell me, guys. Then we move on. 3 more questions, then we end already. 3 soalan lagi saja. Then wrap up. Itu saja for vector. Done? Sudah ambil gambar? Yes or no? Come on, come on. So one question. Yes, correct. Can you guys see over here? The question actually got 3 parts, guys. I show you all clearly, yeah. Okay, cari laju. First part. Kedudukan zara selepas 4 second. Second part. Bilakah zara sampai? Third part. So your question actually got 3 parts. Can you see that, guys? 3 bahagian. First question, find speed. Second, find position. Third, find time. So that's why 3 answer lah. Okay. All right. Next one. Okay, another type of question. Okay, so this one we are talking about ships, guys. Kapal. Okay, so kapal M and kapal N. So they tell you velocity of M is this one. Velocity of N is this one. And vector kedudukan, position vector is 50I plus 20J. Okay. All right. Question A. They ask you to find the position vector of N. Okay. How you guys going to find position vector of N? Any one of you got idea? Macam mana cari vector kedudukan for N? You guys, you must think and see a bit. Anyone? What do you all think? How to find position vector for N? So you must actually use the information of kapal N lah. So you must use the velocity for N, of course. And this is the position vector of the port, pelabuhan. Okay. So you think common sense, guys. When the kapal is leaving, right? The kapal actually leave from where? May I know? Kapal tu bertolak dari mana? Where is the ship leaving from? It is leaving from what point? Yes, it's from OQ, right? Yes. Okay, it's always leaving from the port, pelabuhan. So it's actually the position of the port plus how much it travel. Am I right? That is going to be the position vector of N. Okay, guys, don't get confused when questions say position vector of N. Okay, it's very confusing sometimes. Okay, sometimes question will say position vector of N. How you guys write the symbol lah, guys, for this? Macam mana kamu tulis simbol bagi yang ni? Vector kedudukan N. How you guys write the vector? Anyone? Very simple. Vector kedudukan N. What is your answer? In terms of symbol, what do you all write? Anyone? Think and see. No. Remember, guys, whenever you see the word position vector, vector kedudukan is always start from origin, guys. Please remember that from today. Okay, cuba ingat. Vector kedudukan tu maksudnya merujuk kepada asalan. You must refer to your origin. Okay? Can? So you just take O and then the symbol they use, which is N. So it's ON. Okay? That's all. So basically, if I say ON, right, guys, means I'm actually finding what? Can you all tell me? Kalau kamu nampak ON, what are you finding in the question? Logically, if you see the symbol, actually you can tell what you are finding. Start with letter C, guys. Dalam BMK. Yes, you are actually finding the coordinate of N. Agree, guys? Kamu tengah cari coordinate N. Because ON means you're comparing origin. Origin is always 0, 0, guys. Asalan selalu kosong, kosong. So 0, 0 and N, you are finding coordinate N lah. Do you guys understand? Kamu tengah cari coordinate N. That is the question actually. So when question say position vector of N, means the question want you to find coordinate N. That's all. Faham atau tidak? Soalan suruh cari coordinate N saja. Tapi soalan bagi tahu vektor kedudukan N. Faham? So you must understand the concept. vector kedudukan is actually mean ON. Okay? That's all. Alright. So how to find N, guys? You have to start from the pot. Kamu kena mula dengan pelabuhan. So if you start from the pot, the coordinate is actually 50, 20. Am I right? 50, 20. Plus by how much it move. Am I right? So how much it move? 4i plus 4j. Am I right? So you put 4i and 4j. Do we know the time, guys? Over here. Adakah kita tahu masa? How long? Did the question tell you the time? Over here? No, right? Okay, soalan tak bagi tahu masa. You see the question just says selepas T jam. After T hours. So means the time is T lah. Am I right? Okay, so you just put T over here. Because you don't know what is the time. Remember, time times speed, you get distance. Very important formula. Time times speed equal distance. Masa kali laju sama dengan jarak. Ingat. Okay? So that's the concept. Okay, so from here, if you guys simplify, right, you will get 50, 20 plus, 50, 20 plus 40 and 40. Okay? Wait. There's negative sign. Wait, guys. Let me see. Did the question have negative? Oh yeah, there is negative. Sorry, guys. Over here, they never include negative symbol. Actually got negative. Okay, so you please edit the question. Okay, this one actually is negative. Okay, negative 40. All right. So your answer is actually 50 minus 40, 20 plus 40. Like this. Okay, so the question is vector kedudukan. So guys, if the question asks you position vector, right? Can I leave my answer like this? Yes or no? What do y'all think? Correct or wrong? Betul atau salah? Think and see. Some more. More people. Correct or wrong? Betul atau salah? Question asks vector. Vector. Vector is the keyword. The rest? Betul atau salah? Saya tulis jawapan macam ni. Okay, the answer is wrong, guys. Salah. Please remember when the question say vector, you guys must write out your answer in term of I and J. Okay, kamu kena nampak simbol I dan J if question say vector. Okay, so this is the final answer, guys. Are you all clear with this question? Can I have more response, please? Are you all still awake? Masih hidup tak? So silent, you guys. Are you guys still okay? Can understand or not? Question A. Dapat? Yes or no? More response, please. Respond. Not always the same person. Can or not? Can, I get scared when you guys don't respond. Maybe I think you guys don't understand or something like that. Okay, I get scared. All right. So always respond. Okay, next one. Question B. So question B, they're asking you, does ship M actually pass ship N? Adakah kapal M akan memintas kapal N? Okay, so for this kind of question, right, guys, actually it's the same thing like the spider and the lizard. Do you all still remember that question? Spider and lizard? The concept is you must compare the distance. Am I right? So actually for question B, right, you just make the distance the same. Jarak sama. So if they say, show whether kapal M can cut through kapal N, you just show the distance. That's all. Okay, so for M, right, is actually 6i plus 8j. Am I right? 6i plus 8j. So the vector is actually 6 and 8. Am I right? And then you must times with time lah, guys. Okay, kena darab dengan masa. Because this one is velocity, halaju. Velocity times time, you get distance, jarak. So this is for SM. And then SN you guys already write over here. So you just copy. Okay, it's 50, 20 plus with T, negative 4 and 4. Okay, do you all get that? Dapat? Okay, so from here, right, guys, you guys can actually find the value of T. Am I right? Just solve the equation to get your T. Okay, so if you guys solve the equation, right, you guys will actually get how much? Can you all try and see, guys? Cuba. Nilai T dapat apa? What is your answer for T? You must be hardworking to solve the question now, guys. Okay, so you will get 10t is 50. So your t value berapa, guys? You will get 5, right? 5. T is equal to 5. So this is the time they will actually cut each other. Okay, means they cross each other lah, these two sheep. Okay, dia akan pintas. Okay, so this is actually the answer. And how to show they actually cross each other? Macam mana tunjukkan? Okay, actually very simple. You can actually draw it out if you want to understand better. Okay, but to show that they actually cross each other actually is by saying that the distance is the same. If the distance is the same, right, automatically they actually will cross each other. Do you all know that? Kalau jarak sama kan, dua-dua kapal akan pintas. If you guys don't really understand, right, you can actually draw out in a coordinate system. It means you draw the coordinate. Example for M, when t equal to 5, the coordinate is how much, guys? Is 30 and 40, right? 5 times 6, 30, 5 times 8, 40, 30, 40. And then this one over here, if you substitute t is 5, also 30, 40, right? So they are the same point. Am I right? Titik sama, 30, 40. M and also N. So means that you actually tunjuk adilah kapal M sudah pintas kapal N because they are on the same coordinate. Understand? Do you guys get the concept? Dapat? So that is the concept. All right? Okay, so take picture, guys. Ambil gambar for this question. This is another type of question they like to ask. Daily life. Daily life, they always like for admits. Once done, tell me, guys, bila habis. Done? Habis? I scroll down now. Okay, you can see the other part also. Take this part also. Got 2 more questions, then we end already, guys. 2 soalan lagi saja. Then settle for today. Vector officially complete. Okay, continue, guys. Habis, Okay. All right, so next question, guys. Another question on your daily life. Okay, aplikasi harian. So this one is talking about toy car. So they say toy car is at the position of A, -3, -2. And then it moves with a constant velocity. Okay, one more thing, guys. You all must remember, when you guys use this formula, right? S is equal to Vt. Do you all still remember this formula? All of you? In your physics. Anyone take physics here? Siapa ambil physics kat sini? Comment. Got people take physics, right? Have you guys seen this formula? Of course you guys got seen. Am I right? So this formula, right? If you want to use it, right? Do you all know that the velocity must actually be constant? Nilai V ni kan kena seragam tau. It must be a constant velocity. Then only you can apply the formula. If this V keep on changing, right? Kalau nilai V ni bertukar setiap kali tak boleh. Cannot. Must be constant one. Then only you can apply the formula. Understand? That's why you see the question will always tell you one. Halaju mala. Constant velocity. The word constant is very important. Alright? Okay. So for this one, guys, they want you to find position vector. So again, guys, whenever you see position vector, what they want to find, guys? Position vector equal to what? Just now only I told you guys. Vector kedudukan sama dengan apa? You don't need to tell the symbol. Just tell the word only. I don't want symbol. What is the word? I told just now. Start with letter C. BM is K. Yes, always remember this. Position vector means coordinate. That's all. You need to find your X. You need to find your Y. Coordinate always dalam pasangan, guys. X, Y. It must come in a pair one. Okay? Alright. So if you guys think logic, right? You can just take -3, -2 plus with 2, -3, and the time. Do you guys understand? Is the formula we have been using all this while. if you guys notice, is the original plus by how much you move. Okay, asal tambah berapa yang kamu gerak. That's all. Okay, so you just need to solve this one. Okay, so it's 5 negative 7.5. So your answer will actually get 2 and negative 9.5. So this is your position vector, guys. Vector kedudukan. Understand? That's all. This question like that only, guys. Itu saja. Clear? How to solve it? So whenever question say vector, position vector is your starting point plus how much you move. That's all. Okay? So take picture, guys. Ambil gambar. Then we go for the last question. Last question for today. After this. Wah, today finish early lah, guys. Hari ni habis awal. Actually supposed to finish at 10 o'clock. But today very fast. Not bad. Many questions also we discuss. Okay, done? Habis ambil gambar? Continue. Okay, last question, guys. Soalan terakhir. Okay, so for this one, guys, they are talking about halaju. Find the velocity for boat A and also boat B. Okay. Wait. Okay. So for this one, right, guys, if you want to find velocity is equal to what? You must think and see. Okay, actually, if you guys want to find velocity, right, you can actually depend on this one and this one. Agree? Because velocity times time is distance, right? The concept is like this. Velocity times time is your distance. So means that the matrix or vector beside the t, right, is your velocity. Agree, guys? Boleh setuju? Means this one and this one. This is your velocity. Automatic, guys. Anything beside t is your velocity. Remember that for vector. Apa-apa sebelah t itu adalah halaju. Okay? So means that the velocity for boat A is actually going to be 30 and 15. And the velocity for boat B is actually 10 and 10. Agree? So actually no working one. Tak ada jalan kira. Direct find the answer only. Okay? Alright. So now guys, they ask you, does the two boat actually meet each other or not? Adakah dia bertembung? Okay, actually very simple. You just let the distance equal to each other. Jarak sama. Okay, so you can actually just multiply. T 30, 15 is equal to 55 plus T 10, 10 plus T 10, 10. So this is the equation, guys. Persamaan. So you have 30T, 15T is equal to 50 plus 10T, 5 plus 10T. So you guys find the value of T. Cuba cari nilai T. So you will have 30T is equal to 50 plus 10T. So over here, your T will get how much? You will get 2.5, right? If not mistaken, yeah. 2.5. Okay, so guys, may I ask, this 2.5 over here, this is one time. But if you guys compare the next one, right? 15T is 5 plus 10T. Kamu kena bandingkan dua-dua, guys, to check and see. 5T equal 5, T equal 1. So guys, how come got different time over here? Can you all explain? Kenapa masa dia berbeza? Why is it different? Means that, no, jarak sama, guys. You see the equation over here. My distance is the same one. This is the assumption that I make. But why is the time different? Yes, because the speed is different, guys. Laju berbeza, halaju berbeza. So, if you see the time is different, right? Logically, will they meet up or not? Yes or no? Adakah mereka bertembung atau tidak? Definitely no lah. Okay, no meet up. That is how you guys prove it, guys. When you have two different value of T, automatically you cannot meet up. Tak boleh bertembung. But if your T value over here and over here is the same, then yes, you can meet up. That is the concept. Do you all understand, guys? Dapat? So if you get two different value of T, you won't meet up. Takkan bertembung. Okay? Understand? So this is how you guys solve this question. Take picture. So yeah, this is basically about vectors lah. Once you're done, take picture, tell me, guys. Okay, can. If you guys want to understand better, right, you guys can draw out the vector. Then you will understand why they never meet up. You can do that way also. All right? Okay. Then take picture, guys. Sudah ambil gambar? Done, right? Okay. So now I ask you guys, do you all understand vector now? Better? Faham dengan lebih bagus? Do you already recap all your concept in vector? Hopefully you guys got recap already. So basically, this is how vector will come out lah. But of course, got exception in SPM. Sometimes they come out with a weird question. As long as you practice as many questions as you can, then should be okay lah for vector. Okay, don't forget to keep on practicing lot of question. Kena buat banyak soalan, baru boleh bagus. Okay, understand? Hopefully you guys get lah today's lesson. All right. Okay, so that's all for today. I can see the type of question they ask. Yes. Okay, before you guys leave, any one of you new over here? First time? Siapa kat sini first time? First time join my class. Anyone over here? Okay, so for those first time, right? You lost Kai, never mind, it's okay. For those first time, right? If you're interested to join my class, you can also PM my number over here. WhatsApp, Kalau berminat lah nak join group saya. Okay, you can PM. If you feel like the class today help you, you can also message me. Okay, guys? So that's all for today. Hopefully you guys understand better. Thank you very much. Okay, harap faham. Next class, can we learn P and C? Not so fast lah. Now I'm only teaching differentiation for my Form 5. Now still in differentiation. Not yet. Still got time. If you guys want to learn P and C, right? Any of your school already entered this chapter? Form 5 chapter 4? Can you guys comment if your school is teaching this chapter? Or not yet? Some yes, some no lah. Okay, yes, not yet, no. Okay, so majority still no. Okay. This chapter, right, is actually an optional chapter. Do you all know that? For SPM? It's actually some people won't study one. Okay, banyak orang takkan belajar. Why? Because this question only come out in paper 1, guys. Do you all know that? Paper 1 admits only. Paper 2, they won't ask one. Form 5 chapter 4. So that's why I say it's optional. And it only come out in section A, paper 1. Do you all know that? So it's very focused one, this chapter, only one place. But don't know what question lah, that's all. It's only section A, paper 1. Majority of the time lah, based on the trial and SPM question so far. So if you guys really like struggle, cannot understand that chapter, right? You guys can actually skip it. Tak perlu belajar tau, bab tu. If you guys really cannot understand lah, kalau memang tak boleh faham apa bab tu cakap, then leave it. But try your best to understand the chapter first. That's what I can say. Cuba sebaik untuk faham bab tu. Kalau tak boleh, it's okay. But must try first, Must try first. Normally how many marks? 8 marks. Usually 8 marks. But it's different from year to year. 8 marks, usually. Okay, sometimes it can be 7, sometimes it can be 9. So I just take an average lah. Secara purata is 8 marks. Okay, wajib is a must. Because section A, paper 1, all question must answer. But a lot of people don't like that chapter because it's hard to imagine. If you guys got studied that chapter, you know what I mean. I know some people say already started, right, in school. Do you struggle a bit to understand the chapter? Yes or no? Form 5 bab 4. Kau rasa macam susah sikit tak? For those who say yes, right, it's because maybe you're not enough experience to try the question. You must do more question on the chapter. Then you will understand better. Permutation and combination, one thing is you guys must imagine a lot. You need to imagine what is the situation that's happening. So how to imagine? You need to try a lot of question. So you know if the question asked like this, I must imagine in this way. If the question asked like this, then I imagine in that way. Do you see, guys? Each situation is different one. Each question is different. So you need to get the experience from all the question. Then only you can do good in Form 5 Chapter 4. Understand? Second option, you guys watch my YouTube channel. Okay? My YouTube channel got videos on Form 5 Chapter 4. Okay, so you guys can refer over there also if you guys want to study lah for permutation and combination. Okay? You guys know, right? My YouTube channel. Some of you might not know, I think, but you just search my name, it will come out. Okay? Just search my name on YouTube or Google. You can find it. Okay? All right. Anything else, guys, that you want to ask? Yes, thank you very much. Hopefully you understand the class today. Anything else you guys want to ask, you can stay back. Thank you for sharing the link. Thank you very much. For those want the link, this is the link over here. Okay. Yes, thank you. Thank you. Hopefully you like the class. Yes, thank you very much. And don't forget to PM my number for those interested to join the class. Okay. Yes, thank you very much. Bye-bye. Thank you. We sempat finish. Yes, today is the one we sempat finish. Actually, quite easy lah. Vector. Usually the question straightforward one. Quite hard to see difficult question. The rest? Any other questions? Kalau ada soalan, you can stay back to ask. If anything you want to ask to me about admaths or maths. If nothing, you can leave already. Yes, thank you very much. Have a good day also. Yes, Isan, ada soalan? You have question? You raise your hand. Ada soalan nak tanya? Tak ada? Okay. Bye-bye.